is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we have a special thing planned for you. It is 7:30 a.m. and we are headed to see not one but two Bugatti Chirons, and one of them is going to be the new Bugatti Chiron Pur Sport. So let's go check that out. Guys, we are here. We made it. I'm talking over this huge truck right here. But here we go, guys. I'm gonna turn the camera. 3, 2, 1. We take a look up here, we can see that beautiful, massive carbon wing that makes the Bugatti Chiron Pur Sport really that track-focused hypercar that it is. That thing is insane. So Ben and I just did the calculations, and this truck is carrying over $7 million in cargo. That is incredible. Imagine being the driver of this truck, carrying two over $3 million cars. Plus, you know, we got the Corvette, we have a Lamborghini Gallardo in the front, and a Mustang GT350 in the very front. That is crazy. This truck got into an accident. There goes $7 million worth of cars. Wow, that's crazy. Here we go, let's hear the cold start. Dude, that thing is loud. I don't know if you can hear it because I didn't bring a mic, but that thing is so loud. Here we go, she's rolling out. Bugatti number 2 backing off the trailer. I didn't ever think I would say that, but there we got the Chiron Pur Sport, and there's the Chiron Sport. That is crazy to see. Look at how wide this car is. That is incredible. It's taking up the whole trailer. Look at it. This side right on the edge. This side right on the edge. That is crazy. Just to show you how close this is to hitting. Look at that. That is right on the edge right there. That is insane. This car. Bugatti key is just chilling in there. Beautiful steering wheel. Wow, Ben. Just look at that engine with the full carbon fiber, matching the spec of the rest of the car and even the taillights. Dang, that is incredible. Chiron Pur Sport. It's all good. Sheesh. Little 720S coming by. Then we got the Bugattis over here coming out. Gonna go get some gas before they're out on display here at Holman Motor Cars. Dang, that Chiron Pur Sport in the sun looks insane. All that raw carbon fiber. That is incredible. Sheesh. Let's get right behind this. Dang, that thing sounds so nice. Okay, so the Bugattis just went to fill up with gas at the gas station. We are actually walking down this road over here away from the dealership to hopefully shoot some rollers of these Bugattis as they come back. So yeah, when we come back, we'll see what we get. What? It's painful, dude. Look at that view. That is incredible. Okay, so I didn't say this while I was out there, but roll the montage. It looks like it has just these two exhausts on it, but if we look under here, we can see there's an extra exhaust on each side that helps these already quad exhausts. If you look in there, there's actually 4. But yeah, that's crazy. So I'm pretty sure they do that because the heat from the exhaust, if you're actually pushing this car around a track, would actually melt the back of the car if they didn't have a little bit extra space for it to come out, which I just think is incredible. I also love this massive rear wing. I already showed a lot of this in the B-roll, but look at that thing. That thing is massive, massive. With these little end caps. You can see that huge W16 engine from Bugatti, their signature. Quad turbocharged. That thing is insane. We say
so one of them is out on the
Pur Sport.
And that's the Bugatti Chiron Sport right here.
We look at this interior. Very basic, but it's okay because they do that because they don't want it in 10 years to be out of date. They want it to stay forever. So in 10 years, it'll still be classic. It'll still be really nice. So yeah, I think that's just a really cool thing Bugatti does. Also, I like if we look at right here, you can't really see it that much, but these tires are actually cambered in a lot just because they want like this to be a track only car. So if you look at the Chiron Sport and the regular Chiron, it doesn't do this, but if we look at this like this, there you go, you can see it right there, but they're actually cambered in to help you around the track. That's really cool. Something else you notice about this car is it has the ridge that goes all the way up the middle, all the way back to the wing. And it goes actually over the engine bay if we look right here, which is really sick. So unfortunately, this Bugatti actually got in a crash just hours after shooting. It was on April 1st of 2021. And luckily no one was hurt, which, you know, thank goodness for that. But what happened was one of the Bugatti test drivers was demonstrating launch control to a potential customer, and he was on the freeway and it hit a little bump. They got a little bit of air, lost control of the rear, slid into a Toyota Corolla, which was like over in the slow lane, and then actually went over and hit one of the mile markers, which cracked the entire front splitter and open on the car, and is going to be a lot of money in damages. They estimate probably around $300,000 of carbon fiber was lost, as well as it actually has to get shipped all the way back to Germany and France to get completely torn apart, inspected for any other damages, and then re-put back together with the new diffuser, which is really sad. But you know, like I said, thank God no one got hurt. We're really grateful for that, and I'm also really grateful that I got to get some shooting in of this car before, unfortunately, it crashed.
Many of you are wondering, this is the same car that Shmi was driving just a couple days ago in Florida, and then it's also the same car that Life of Paulos just did a video on. So if you want to see more about this car, go check out those 2 videos. I highly recommend. They're both very informative, and they're great videos, so go watch theirs. As always, thanks for watching. Make sure to stay tuned because we have some hypercars coming in the future. We have the McLaren Elva, we have the Koenigsegg Agera RS Ruthie, and we have many more. So drop a follow to stay tuned and give us a like because anything helps. And and we will see you in the next one.